And it's now time for the business day. The COVID-19 pandemic has made online services more popular, with several private and public sector entities asking customers to complete transactions online. That's transactions online. But navigating the online space is not easy for everyone. That's why one local company is adding an online assistance service to help those who might be struggling. Andrew Ladley reports.
As the novel coronavirus forces people to change the way they do business, firms are adapting their services to keep or build market share. This microfinance company, for example, has identified another way to stay afloat after its core business started to dwindle.
We are still a microfinance company where we do loans, but because of the COVID, again, also a lot of persons were laid off and are unable to meet their monthly payments on time or in full. Hence, we had to diversify and do this pivoting into what we're presently doing.
The service helps the elderly, those who may not have a credit card, or those who don't want to stand in line. But the service is not free.
There is a charge for the service. It's minimal. For the traffic tickets, we only charge 300 Jamaican dollars. And for motor vehicle fitness or property tax payment, we charge them $500. Presently, we're not seeing a profit as yet because, again, based on the meager amount that we're charging, because we also are looking that we don't want to pressure our community or the persons. So yes, we don't want to charge too much. So that is why we have put a fee in place that is minimal, that we can, yes, assist in paying our expenses, but not put too much weight on the customer.
Nevertheless, she says the new service is helping the company to remain financially stable.
We can say that we have increased between 200 to 300% based on where we were before the COVID, because we have also had to increase the number of staff members because of the influx of persons that have been coming in.
Looking ahead, the microlender says there are plans to expand the online assistance offerings, but she says that's an initiative the company is approaching with caution.
We're also looking at doing insurance, because again, the insurance companies are also moving to say to persons, hey, you can stay home and you can go online and do your insurance. Because we don't have anyone presently here that would have done the insurance exam, and we are finding out the legal implications if we should go that route.
Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.